What's up guys, it's Mark from Freedom Gorilla, and today we're going to be installing a Crimson Trace flashlight on my Glock 17 here. Let's get into it. So first things first, let's open up the box, see what's actually in here. So it goes that way. All right, so we have the flashlight, looks like an adapter and a battery. What's cool about this is on the box itself, it says free batteries for life. Very interesting. Really like that concept. All right, let's see what's in here. The Railmaster manual showing us how to install. Easy enough. Let's get this out. And it came with a sticker, by the way. Always excited to see that. Got the battery. Got this. And got this. Let's see what's going on here. All right, had to get a screwdriver, so we're back now. Installing the battery seems pretty simple. Looks like this just comes unscrewed. Put that, if you don't lose it, put that right down there. Let's see if that does it. That does it. All right, perfect. So it looked like the three lug plates, you know, I'm looking for the one that matches up the Glock 17 here. Looks like it's the one that goes all the way to the front. So you can line up to that notch here. And that looks pretty good. So that's the one I'm going to go with here. So we'll get that on and get it tightened it. All right, so that's what it looks like installed. It's on there pretty tightly. Got the whole button. What's cool about this is there's a button on either side that turns it on or off. This is actually pretty sweet. I really enjoy this. It's very bright too. That is very cool. Very glad I got that. If you're interested on getting a rail-mounted flashlight, check out freedomgorilla.com. Hit us up on the chat or send us an email or hit us up on YouTube. We'll respond to the comments here. If you have any questions, just let us know. If not, thank you and have a good one.